7 Best Battery Terminal Cleaners. Product number 1, CRC750Z. CRC750Z is a very good battery terminal cleaner and protector because it is made with high-quality material like toxethanol, sodium bicarbonate, petroleum gases, liquefied, sweetened, detergent, inhibitor mixture. One of the problems I face most of the time is corrosion on my car battery. We can do a few things to deal with the battery corrosion. My favorite battery corrosion cleaner is CRC Battery Cleaner with Acid Indicator Spray. I have used it on many cars to clean their batteries. It worked perfectly for me, and surely will work for you as well. The coolest part of this cleaner is that it changes its color when you spray it over the corrosion. As soon as it comes in contact with the acid, it changes from yellow to pink. That means it neutralizes the acid. This spray is easy to use, but always use protection when handling acid and corrosion. Before spraying, I clean the area using a wire brush if it is too corroded. After spraying, I allow it to sit there for a few minutes, depending on the corrosion intensity. After 5 minutes, I wipe it off with a Scotch towel. It looks more battery terminal now than before. It is not completely done yet. I could still see corrosion under the cable, so I took off both terminals to remove the battery for more cleaning. You need to make sure that the terminals are not damaged by corrosion. Otherwise, you would need a new terminal set before removing the damaged one. After removing the battery, I did some more cleaning using hot water spray and then wiped it off. You need to be extra careful that none of the liquid should mix with the battery acid. You want to prevent this from happening in the future. So, before putting both terminals back on battery, I put special felt on the battery post. These felt have a solution on them that neutralizes the gas. The solution will absorb the gas instead of allowing it to react. That's it. CRC Battery Cleaner is helpful for maintaining the battery's health. However, there are some pros and cons to this cleaner. Pros: fast action, easy to use, multi-purpose icons, not suitable for all materials, may cost you more depending on the size you buy, harmful if inhaled. Product number 2, Lyle 11120. The Lyle 11120 brush is designed to clean battery terminals and cable clamps. It features a durable plastic handle and metal brush bristles. These are specifically designed to effectively remove corrosion and buildup. The male end is used for scrubbing the inside of battery terminals and cable clamps. The female end is used for rubbing off corrosion from battery posts. The brush is compact in size. It allows it to be used in narrow or tight spaces. To use the Lyle 11120 battery brush, simply apply it to the battery terminals or cable clamps. Scrub back and forth to remove any corrosion or buildup. Be sure to wear protective gloves and eyewear when working with batteries. The Lyle 11120 brush is a handy tool for anyone who needs to clean and maintain their vehicle's battery. It is affordable and easy to use. It is also effective at removing corrosion from battery terminals and cable clamps. Pros: metal bristles, compact size, lightweight cans. Bristles can be damaged. Product number 3, Schumacher Bath By. The Schumacher Bath By is also a dual-purpose car battery terminal cleaning brush. It is a simple and effective solution for removing corrosion from battery terminals. It is also compact in size. This also has both male and female wire brushes. You can use the male brush to clean battery terminals and posts, which are not round. A female brush is more beneficial to clean round battery poles. The tool is designed to work on most batteries used in cars, trucks, and boats. It's pretty simple to use. Put it into the battery terminal and scrub it back and forth to remove corrosion or buildup. Be sure to wear protective gloves and eyewear when you are working with batteries. The chemicals found in batteries can be hazardous. The good thing about this tool is the bristles are chrome-plated. This helps to prevent rust. The biggest downside of this brush is the bristles are soft. They can easily bend when used on bigger batteries. Then you cannot use it on smaller poles or any other battery. One solution to this problem is to keep 2 cleaners, one for each post. Pros: easy to use, affordable. Cons: soft bristles, limited to lead acid batteries. Product number 4, HOSA D5S6 Chiag Deoxit. HOSA D5S6 CIG Deoxit is another best battery terminal cleaner spray and one of the best rated in battery terminal cleaning products. It is popular due to its dual action, cleaning and protecting the surface of the device. Moreover, it also improves the conductivity of the area. It is a fast-acting and effective cleaner. It can help restore electrical connections and improve the performance of electronic equipment. To use the cleaner, spray it directly onto the contact and allow it to penetrate for a few seconds. Then wipe away any excess with a clean cloth. The cleaner is designed to be safe for use on all metal surfaces. It is also safe for use on plastics and other non-metallic materials. You can safely use it to clean any metal connectors. This is zero-rated complaints product. Pros: effective cleaning, long-lasting protection, multi-purpose. Cons: not suitable for all material, unpleasant smell, expensive. Product number 5. Lotfancy Car Battery Terminal Cleaner and Connectors. The name says it all. It includes 2 battery corrosion cleaners and 12 battery anti-corrosion fiber washers. Isn't it a lot fancy? What else do you need to keep the terminals and posts of your car battery clean? Using Lotfancy battery terminal cleaners is quite simple. First, you should disconnect the battery cables to prevent any electrical shocks and use the brush or wire bristles to clean the buildup on the terminals. Once the terminals are clean, you can reconnect the battery cables. Test the battery to make sure it is functioning. Now comes the next fancy tool, the anti-corrosion washer. They will prevent corrosion from happening in the future. So, before putting both terminals back on the battery, put the felt pads on the battery post. These felt have a solution on them that neutralizes the gas. The solution will absorb the gas instead of allowing it to react. Product number 6. Lyle 11400. The Lyle Battery Terminal Cleaner is the perfect tool for side terminal batteries. It is designed to fit universally for all batteries with side terminals. The heavy plastic handle lets you clean side terminals more than a top terminal brush. The bristles are made of stainless steel. They are densely put together to clean effectively. I can use the same brush to clean posts and battery terminals, but you have to use a decent force for cleaning. Follow the same procedure as you do with any other battery terminal cleaner. Do not forget to wear protective gloves and eyewear when working with batteries. Pros: easy to use. Cons: limited usage, time saving. Product number 7. Permatex 80369. Permatex 80369 battery cleaner is designed to clean and protect automotive batteries. It removes corrosion and acid buildup from battery terminals and other electrical connections. This product needs just 3 minutes to remove corrosion from the battery. Simply spray the cleaner and wait for the magic cleanser penetrate.